Hey guys, I'm Pat Kelly. Okay, the directions in this problem, something I feel like we've been told since day one of calculus, right? Find the derivative. Okay, maybe day two. But this involves our newer idea of the inverse hyperbolic trig functions. It still comes down to knowing your derivatives. Even off to the side, it never hurts. In fact, you can really do yourself a service by writing down your basic derivative that's involved in the problem you're working on. It kind of reinforces these derivatives that you should be learning. So the inverse hyperbolic tangent of u, when you go to take the derivative of it, equals u prime divided by 1 minus u squared. Am I making a big deal about knowing your derivatives? Well, maybe, but that's because, especially in a problem like this, if you know that formula, the problem falls apart. So let's get to the formula now. Let's get to the problem and use the formula now, where I have the inverse hyperbolic tangent and my u is just that square root of x. So x to the 1/2. So I can immediately jump right into my derivative, follow the formula, where in the numerator I just need to prime the u. So x to the 1/2, the 1/2 comes in front, the x loses a power, right? That's your numerator, and your denominator is 1 minus whatever u was, but squared. Our u was the square root of x, so square that, and you just get x. Good. That's the main meat of this problem. Now we'll just clean it up a little bit. Always a little bit of algebra, right? Not too bad here, though. I'll just take this 2 and shove it downstairs, take this negative 1/2 power and shove it downstairs, and I think our final answer will look neater as 1 divided by 2 parentheses 1 minus x, close your parentheses, square root of x. And we'd be done. Okay, practice your derivatives. That's it for this one.